Hello YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today I want to talk about what these two books have revealed and how I am acknowledging, listening, and moving forward. When it's time to move on and let things go, that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you haven't been here or if you're new, please welcome, have a seat, and scour my channel. I've got a ton of playlists. This has been a new journey for me. I call it the Art Notebook. And I started it this year, and I am really amazed as what it has done for me, because it's letting me see things that I didn't even know were working behind the scene. Now, the smaller one, I take this with me whenever I travel. So if I'm going somewhere or if I'm on a plane, I let myself do a lot of just riding on the plane because I get bored just sitting there. But then what I do is I come home with this and I transfer it into my big book. And that has made a huge difference into what I'm thinking about my business, how I'm thinking about my business, but also what changes I want to be made. I have made a major decision this year, and in August I announced it. I am retiring from online courses. So that means that if you are interested, I have a Teachable link down below. All of my classes are 50% off. The caveat is that on November 6th, 2026, I will be deleting my Teachable account. So that means everything is downloadable and you still have plenty of time to do that. So take advantage of that. When I went through my archives, I have taught over 65 courses. I know that's a lot for one person, right? It's been 15 years and I have enjoyed it immensely. But what I found lately is I am wanting a change in, first of all, not paying for a big platform like that, not having to be a manager of all of that goes wrong. You know, I can't get into my account. I can't log in. I can't see my courses. I can't do this. I'm letting all of that go. But also, in the meantime, Patreon has happened. YouTube memberships have happened. So I'm looking forward to a new kind of platform where I don't have to come up with an intense course plan, which mine are always very thorough from start to finish. I kind of give you where I want you to start, but where I want you to end as well. And then I plan it all out. So it takes a while. I've done a lot of online yearly classes. So those take a lot more planning and a lot more vision to what I want the end game to be. And in this, I'm looking forward to having a membership that on YouTube, I can just do 1 or 2 videos a month, and that would be plenty. On Patreon, I'm working on it for a little bit longer. I want it to have 3 or 4 small little pieces in the month so that you're busy and you can see new things whenever you want, but it's also less time for me than figuring out a whole class. Yes, I have plans on what I want to bring to you and how I want to present it. You know, I know book studies are a huge thing on my platform here on YouTube, and I know that you enjoy seeing my sketchbooks, so those are never going to go away. I'm not leaving YouTube. I am not leaving my newsletter. That has been my most asked question. You're not quitting the newsletter too, are you? No, the Rooted Chronicles is here for a while, so take advantage of that too. The link below is in the video description for that as well. But what I know is when I made the announcement that I was retiring from teaching online, my shoulders kind of went up. I sat a little straighter. I also felt a lot of pressure leave me because as a one-person show who does everything, all the aspects in my business myself, it was kind of a relief that I'm not carrying that burden of I have to do classes, I have to make money, I have to do this, I have to do that, right? So I hope that you can understand that. But what that's leading me to do already and see is other possibilities. I am enjoying Story World. If you have seen any of my videos on my art notebook, you know that Story World is a big part, and I've shared a lot about the art of noticing, storytelling, that kind of thing. I want to get better at that. So something had to leave that was taking up a majority of my time so that I could fill it with something else. And I am a habitual student. I love learning, and I actually love challenging myself. So thinking about writing something and putting together books or magazines or e-zines or anything like that is really exciting to me. Yes, it sounds like a lot of work, but it's already stuff that I already do. And I'm not afraid of that, right? My newsletter is something that I do every week, and it has 5 or 6 segments in each newsletter. So I'm used to multitasking in that way. And I'm excited to see what the storytelling world means for me. And I haven't been this excited in a very long time. Let me put it like that. It is a new realm for me to explore, but I am totally up to it. I have a stack of books, this big really, children's books and illustration books and just books that I find inspirational, and I'm trying to figure out how all of them connect to me, in what way, and what way I'm going to be bringing them forward to connect with you as well, hopefully. And that is something that has me really excited, curious. I am willing to accept that it's not going to be easy, but I also love that challenge of digging deeper and finding what I can do to make it my own and present to you something new and beautiful in a curious way. Are you excited for that? I hope so. So it's not just me moving on. It is me leaving things behind that no longer fit where I am in my life and looking for something new to add a challenge, to give me excitement, to find hidden clues of what I'm looking for, because I don't have a clear plan yet. That's what the rest of this year is about, is finding that plan and making something that I can be proud of once again. So thank you for being here on my journey, and I hope you will follow me into the next adventure, wherever it leads us. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. I would love for you to subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.